Okay, so how to fit the splashback? How to fit the splashback? You've got the splashback, worktop is there, splashback is there. Now you want that splashback there, but you have to chop the holes for sockets. Easy job. What do you need? You need the drill with drill bit. You need the jigsaw, square, pencil, tape measure, level. Now, first what you're doing, simple. Mark the wall. Mark the wall. Let's do it. Okay, so I mark the wall, so all marked, so you know exactly what's going on. So now you have to grab the splashback. Paul, can you grab the splashback, please? You need a pole as well. Okie dokie, hop, hop. Oopsie daisy, beautiful. Now, 1 second. That section have to go flush with the worktop, like that. Now, flush there with the worktop. You've got, this is flush. Now we've got marks. Copy. Hop, 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 hop. Okie dokie. Use your square now. Hop, mark, hop, mark, hop, mark. Copy all of them. Okay, so you copy all of them. Now, measure the distance, bottom and top, bottom and top, bottom and top, bottom and top. Okay, so we mark everything. That from inside, that's your splashback inside. And now, to be sure, just double check, double check, double check, double check. Put cross, 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 cross. Okay? Check dimension again, one more time. Everything, check twice. Okie dokie. Grab that, my friend. So that's ready. Trousers. Grab your drill. And you drill. But not completely, so a little bit. Drill a little bit. See? Now, you have to do in every corner exactly the same. Turn that, bro. And now drill from this side, so it's gonna look lovely. Let's do it again. Boom. With every corner. Boom, 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 boom. So, see? All of them just a little bit, so you can see the light through. Boom, 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 boom. Now turn down, my friend. And you drill from this side. Okay. Turn, bro. Okay. So that's ready. And now just use your jigsaw. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so now it's all done, and now we have to try. Paul, let's try. Oh no, it's wrong. No, it's all right. Look at that sexy hand. Woo! Hold this, my friend. Okay, so flush beam. Socket, 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 socket. Boom! It's done and dusted. Okie dokie, okie dokie. You have your splashbacks. That's fine. That's fine. You've got your splashbacks, and now you've got the walls, few sockets. So basically, this splashback is going there. So what do we need? We need a drill with drill bit. Jigsaw, old-fashioned Raven. That's from 70s, from Birmingham. Classic, good quality, square. Pencil, tape measure, level. Pick. Boom! It's done and dusted.